Are you too a big Virat fan like me? Do you just love how his grooming game is always on point but are unsure about how to start your own grooming journey? Well, I have just the perfect grooming device for you because what we are unboxing today is a product that's every cricket lover's dream come true. The BT1000 series trimmer model BT1233/28 is the newly launched trimmer from the House of Philips, which is co-designed with world cricketing legend and ultimate style icon Virat Kohli. One look and I can say, just like Virat's game, this trimmer is all about perfection and attention to detail. Now I can give you 1,000 reasons why this trimmer is the perfect styling tool to begin your facial grooming journey with. My favorite is the fact that it is designed in a way to give you smooth and most skin-friendly beard trimming experience ever. Yes, you heard that right. The blades on this one have rounded tips for a smoother skin contact that prevents scratches and irritation, making it your perfect companion for a safe and sharp trimming every time. What's more awesome is that these self-sharpening steel blades stay as sharp as the day you bought them, ensuring a perfect protective trim every single time. Additionally, this trimmer offers you 3 different comb lengths to choose from: 7mm for a long beard, 5mm for that stubble look, or you could go for the zero trim using the Skin Protect comb. The Skin Protect comb guides your skin away from the blades, giving you a close, smooth trim. This beard trimmer features Dura Power technology, which reduces friction on the blades, preserves the motor, and extends the battery life. The indicator here tells you when the charger is plugged in. Guess what? You can use it for up to 3 weeks with just one full charge. The travel lock on the on-off button prevents the trimmer from being switched on by mistake. Plus, maintaining it is so easy. It comes with an additional accessory to make the cleaning more efficient. You can put the attachments under the tab and you're good to go. Skin-friendly, long-lasting, easy to maintain, a 2-year worldwide warranty and a limited edition trimmer co-designed with Virat Kohli himself. What more could you ask for? Trusted by Virat, this trimmer guarantees a perfect and protective trim with skin-friendly performance. It's a winner in my books. Grab one for yourself on Flipkart today.